Madam Chair, we confirm that this is a letter that we submitted this morning.
Thank you, Mr. D. In the presence of the justice members and all the Filipino people who are watching right now, Mr. D, in behalf of all the complainants, is confirming the letter of withdrawal of their impeachment complaint.
Madam Chair.
Thank you, complainants. You may
Madam
take your
Chair.
seat. The Honorable Flores is recognized.
Madam Chair, in view of the withdrawal and the confirmation by the complainant, D et al., that they are withdrawing the impeachment complaint, as well as the withdrawal of the endorsement by Representative Percival Sendanya and that of Representative Leila de Lima, I move that the committee accept and approve the withdrawal of the said complaint, Madam Chair.
There is a motion to accept and approve the withdrawal of the impeachment complaint. Do I hear a second? The same has been seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion to approve, to accept and approve the withdrawal of the second impeachment complaint referred to as D et al. Is hereby approved.
Madam Chair.
Before